วัสดีครับอาจารย์และสวัสดีครับเพื่อนๆทุกคนผมชื่อนายวีดาเลงรหัส625011030สาขา ICM ชั้นปีที่2มหาวิทยาลัยสงขลานครินทร์วิชาข่ายตรัง Today I'm here to represent about the basic network stimulation with GNS3 หรือการอธิบายการใช้โปรแกรม GNS3 ในการจำลองการทำงานของเครือข่ายคอมพิวเตอร์แบบเบื้องต้น There are three programs that we use in this basic network simulation. First program is GNS3. GNS3 เป็นโปรแกรมสำหรับจำลองระบบเครือข่าย The second one is Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox เป็นโปรแกรมสำหรับจำลองระบบคอมพิวเตอร์ and then the WinBox of Microtik เป็นโปรแกรมสำหรับจำลองระบบเครื่องสำหรับใช้ในการจัดการบริหารการจัดการMicrotik and the one is about the file CHR file VDI or VDI file that we could download it from Microtik. And I will show you about how to download it from the Microtik. You go to Chrome and then you click microtik.com and you choose the word software and then you scroll down until the word cloud hosted router and then you click on the VDI table and then you will download it, and this is the file that I have downloaded already, and I just show you how we get the CHR file or the cloud hosted router VDI from where. And then the first work that we need to do is การสร้าง VM สำหรับสร้าง router Microtik แบบ CHR บนโปรแกรม VirtualBox or Oracle VM VirtualBox. So we go to create the VM. We go to VirtualBox. You click on new and then you set the name Microtik, and then for type Linux, for version go it down other Linux 40 byte and then next, and then the size memory is 515 megabyte as the default. Next, and then on hard disk you need to use an existing virtual hard disk file, and then we just to bring to add the file that I have show you how to download the CHR VDI file. Click it on download and then click on the file, open and then choose and then create. So the Microtik has appeared, and then what we are going to do next, you go to set the value of the adapter setting, and then you go to network. For adapter 1 is the default NAT. Choose the NAT and enable network adapter. For adapter 2, enable network adapter, and we choose host only adapter. And you could choose bridge adapter, but I recommend you to choose host only adapter. For adapter 3, just enable and then not attached. Adapter 4 is the same, not attached. Okay, and then what we are going to do next is การสร้างอุปกรณ์ router ในrouter Microtik บนรายการอุปกรณ์ในโปรแกรม GNS3. We go to เพิ่มอุปกรณ์ CHR ใน VirtualBox เข้าไป Nay GNS3. We have just create the VirtualBox and then we go to create it in the GNS3. We go to GNS3 program. Wait for program to respond. Yes. Yes. Set the name. We set two subnet because in this project we use two subnet. Okay. And then in order to prompt the CHR of a virtual box into the GNS3, you go to edit and click on preferences. And then you go to VirtualBox VM and then click new. And now the MikroTik have appeared. Do you see? And then click finish. And now we go to edit and to network. We change from 1 adapter to 8 adapter. And for Ethernet we set it port 1. And then go to general setting. Go to browse and wait a bit. We need the router firewall, so we need the firewall. And then classic. And then select on router firewall. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. And now we go to see in the device did we get the router MikroTik or not. Yes, now we get. So we are going to set the virtual network. Okay, MikroTik. And then internet switch. Internet switch 1. Internet switch 2. VPN VPCS1. VPCS2. VPCS3. VPCS4. VPCS5. VPCS6. And then we make it to log bearer. Because if it was prepared, the night prepare, we are going to understand it easy. And now we connect it. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 1. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 2. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 3. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 3. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 1. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 2. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 3. Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 4. And then we change the name in order to easy to call it A1, A1, okay, or enter B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Yes. And now we go to start it. Are you sure you want to start our devices? Yes. Yes, now it's okay. After we start it, do you see what happened? Right can VirtualBox ชื่อ microtik is start running automatically. It appear and start running uh, automatically. And for as the microtik at the Oracle Virtual Box is running automatically too after we start the NGS3. So what we are going to do next, we go to set the Wi-Fi address for each device, each VPCS. And now we go to on by right click and then choose select on console. Now it's coming. Yes, what it is these two. I go to check what is happened. I console it again. Yes, A on. And now I go to set the IP address. IP 192.168.0.192.168.0.1 show IP. Now we see after we show and then we sell. And then we go to console the B on B12 console, right click and console. IP 192.168.0.3 192.168.0.1 subnet. And then we show IP and then we save it. Okay, and then we go to it on C on 2. C on IP 192.168.0.4 20C 192.168.0.1 and then we show IP and then we show yes. And then we go to A2 console A2 IP 192.168.1.2 20C 192.1 different subnet gateway different gateway subnet 1.1 show IP and then sell and we go to B2 console. IP 192.168.1.3 20C 192.168.1.1 okay, and then we sell the same. And now we go to console C2 yes IP 192.168.1.20 192.168.1.1 yes and then show IP and then we save it. Yes, after we set the IP address into all VPCs and then we go to ping from A on to B on that it could connect or not. Ping A on to B on 192.168.0.3 yes. Do you see it could ping, it means it has the request and response. And then from B on to C on 192.168.0.4 yes, it could work as well. And now we ping from A2 to B2 another gateway ping 192.168.1.3 yes, it could work as well. And then we go to ping from B2 to C2 to C2 192.168.1.4 oh sorry ping 192.168.1.4 yes, it could work now. I want to ping from A on to A2. This it could ping or not? Let's see. 192.168.1.2 no, it could not reachable. So what we are going to do, we need to ตั้งค่า configuration T router microtik one โดยเปิดโปรแกรม WinBox we need to set the subnet Ethernet 1 Ethernet 2 Ethernet 3 Ethernet 4 gateway to set the IP the subnet address that we call it ตั้งค่า configuration T router โดยใช้โปรแกรม WinBox so we going to WinBox this is the WinBox yes and then refresh yes you do micro tick and we click on the MAC address and make sure that it is the same here connect yes it appear now and then you go to system reset configuration no default configuration and reset configuration and yes wait the program to respond yes now it responds reconnect it refresh re-click it and connect again and then we go to IP and address and then we go to add the address of Ethernet 3 192.168.0.1.24 Ethernet 3 apply okay and then we set for the Ethernet 4 192.168.1.124 Ethernet 4 apply. Yes, and after we set the address and network address of the Ethernet C and Ethernet SAM and Ethernet C, and then we go to ping it from A1 to A2 again. Did it could ping or not, connect or not? 168.1.2. Yes, now you see it could connect it because we have set the values of the Internet C and Internet for address, and then try to ping from C on to C the C on to C2 192.168.1.4. Yes, now it's okay too. At B2, let me want to ping to either the domain name in the internet. Did it could ping or not? This is the domain name of Google. I just try it. No, it could not. It is time out. And so what we need to do with it, we need to ตั้งค่าให้อินเทอร์เน็ตให้คอมพิวเตอร์ VPCS ของเราออกอินเทอร์เน็ตได้โดยตั้งค่าให้โรเตอร์ไมโครติกเป็นอินเทอร์เน็ตเกตเวย์ so we need to ตั้งค่าให้คอมพิวเตอร์ VPCS ของเราสามารถออกอินเทอร์เน็ตได้ and then there need two steps. We need to go to WinBox, and then you go to IP, and then DHCP, go to DHCP client and click on Internet 1. It is the internet gateway for the ตั้งค่าให้router ไมโครติกเป็น Internet Gateway. Apply. Okay. And then we go to IP firewall and go to NAT and add. We choose SCRN net and then interface internet 1 and then agent mask further and then apply and then okay. Yes, now it's okay, and then we go to see our router. Yes, this is our router, and then we go to refresh it, and then we go to new terminal. Yes, before we go to new terminal, we need to log in this to admin, log in admin, as admin, password no. Yes, to show this. Okay, and then we go to new terminal again. Now it could work, and then we go to ping 8.8.8.8. This is the domain name of Google. Yes, now it work here. Yes, and then we go to ping other domain name of Cloudflare 1.1.1. Yes, it could work as well. And then we go to the VPCS, and then we ping 8.8.8 again. Yes, now it worked. It could work now. I try to ping 1.1.1. Oh, it works as well. Let me try to ping gocor.com. The domain name of gocor. No, it cannot resolve the gocor.com. Why it could not resolve the gocor.com? ทำไมไม่สามารถ why we cannot connect it ไม่เพราะว่าไม่มีหมายเลข IP ที่เป็น DNS บนคอมพิวเตอร์ VPCS ของเราไม่ได้ we have not yet set the IP address of DNS in our VPCS. So we need to add set the domain name address, domain name system, and because I'm not at the university, so I need to use the public domain name. I could not use the private domain name, the Wi-Fi public private domain name of my where I'm staying. So I need to use the public domain name, and public domain name is Gocor and Cloudflare. I will use Gocor and Cloudflare as here. So I need to set my DNS server as the public domain name system. So I will set it now. IP DNS 8.8.8.8 1.1.1.1. Yes, and now I go to wingocor.com again. Yes, now it could ping. So after we set the domain the address, domain name address, server, domain name server of in our VPCS, we could ping gocor.com. And if you are at university, you should use the domain name system of your university. But I'm here at the dormitory. I use the public domain name. And today I'm here that you could learn much about the basic network stimulation with NGS3. Thank you very much.